In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. Selling ebooks on Shopify is a straightforward way to launch or expand a digital product business. With Shopify's free digital downloads app, your customers automatically receive a secure download link the moment they check out, so fulfillment is hands-free from day one. First, create your ebook and export it as a PDF. If you're still designing, Canva makes this easy with polished templates for self-help books, cookbooks, detailed guides and workbooks, daily planners, and a wide range of educational resources. Before you move on, skim your file for typos, make sure hyperlinks are clickable, and optimize images so the PDF opens quickly on mobile devices. Next, install a digital download app. Log into your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and open the Shopify App Store. Search for digital downloads. You'll see options like Digital Downloads by Shopify, Big Digital Downloads, and Sky Pilot. For beginners, Digital Downloads by Shopify is free, reliable, and simple to set up. Now, create your product. Head to Products and click Add Product. Add a clear product title, a helpful description, your price, and a professional cover image. Aim for a description that explains what buyers will learn or achieve, what's included, and who it's for. Because this is a digital item, adjust the shipping settings. In the shipping section, uncheck "This is a physical product" and leave inventory tracking off unless you're limiting sales for a special launch. This prevents Shopify from asking customers for shipping addresses at checkout. Save your product to create the listing. Then upload your ebook file. Open the Digital Downloads app, select the product you just made, click Add File, and upload your PDF. Use a clear file name so customers recognize it instantly after download. Configure delivery settings. Choose automatic delivery after purchase. Decide on download limits, unlimited for maximum convenience, or a set number like 10 for tighter control, and save your settings. Preview your product page on your storefront. Check that the title and description display correctly, the cover image looks sharp and on brand, and the checkout flow feels smooth on desktop and mobile. Run a quick test purchase to confirm the download link arrives automatically and the file opens without issues. Finally, start promoting. Drive traffic with blog posts and email marketing, pin visuals to Pinterest, test Facebook and Instagram ads, and refine your SEO with relevant keywords in your product title and description. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.